sabi ni Pops na you're getting emotional. Even nung ASAP nakita ko yun na pagka nag-duet kayong dalawa, you're getting emotional. Bakit po may mga ganong factor po?
Kasi, you know, I never thought I would last, I mean, in the industry so long that I could say that I was on a #1 noontime show for 18 years. I never thought I would, I mean, live long in the business, that's what I'm saying. Very, very moody, very temperamental ba? Yung fans, yung industry. So it's so hard to keep reinventing yourself. So when I do things like a song with Ariel and Pops, edi yung utak ko hindi moving forward kung hindi moving backwards. Dapat tayo dito sa showbiz, dapat moving forward palagi. Otherwise you'll just go stale. Moving backwards ang ginawa ng ASAP last Sunday. So naisip ko lahat ang dinaanan namin lahat, kami ni Pops and with Ariel, with Jelly, even with Aga before and Dayanara, we all went to Hawaii and kinikwento sa akin lahat bago ako lumabas to sing that song with Pops. Nagkukwento kami ni Ariel sa backstage. Siya mismo ang unang umiyak. Pero hindi nyo nakita dahil nasa backstage siya. So kaming dalawa, parang dalawang babae dyan na umiiyak dahil sa isang sad movie. Pero actually, the movie was our movie. So paglabas ko ng stage, sabi ko, pigilin mo yung tears mo, pigilin mo yan. Hindi matatapos yung kanta pagka-cry ka, di ba? I mean, me anyway. Wala na. Ganon si, if you watch an old episode, I saw it when I got home that same day. I watched the Jeepney channel and it was ASAP and Ariel, exactly the same. Ariel, Pops and Martin. Si Ariel yung kamay niya over the shoulder of Pops and Martin. This is after ASAP 18th anniversary. After, so it was like, my God, parang nag-repeat yung moment. So I was crying for something that was yet to come. So when I saw that on Jeepney, mas lalo akong umiyak, di ba? Because those were really good days. Very, very instrumental. Memorable importanting years of my life.
Tapos sir, dito po ba, of course, mas maraming duet ang makikita ng mga fans rito. You're getting emotional din po ba pag dumating yung point na yon? Sa
I don't know. You know, Pops and I have many emotional moments on stage. Could be a corporate show, but basta kumakanta kami ng isang song na popular back then, we recall those memories. But I'm not anticipating, hindi ko hinahanap talaga yung mga luha ko. Kung lalabas siya, lalabas siya.
Tapos, Sir Mark, kamusta po yung wedding nung pamangkin niya and ni Paolo po kagabi?
So nice. It was like a fairy tale. Never ko ma-meet ng dalawang tao that got married that were together at the age of 2. The age of 2, barkada na sila. So, yung mga pictures sa story nila, hindi last year, hindi yung bakasyon sa Boracay 2 years ago. Kung hindi, kasama sila sa isang whatever at the age of 2, 4, 6, 15, 19, and then now married.
And you still remember, of course, sabi ni Miss Pops na every time na makita siya ng wedding, naiiyak siya, di ba? Kayo rin po ba that time medyo naging emotional din kayo? Nakita niyo yung wedding ng pamangkin niya and nandun po si Miss Pops, part ng family pa rin po.
Well, Pops is always going to be part of our family, and that's one thing I gave to Pops when we got married. Pops also has a very beautiful family, but we all have our backstories, di ba? Yung family ko sobrang sa harap mo, I love you. Sa family ni Pops, when she was growing up, walang ganyan. I mean, they were not very showy. Kami very showy. So natuto si Pops talaga magbigay todo or magiging demonstrative ba sa affection. But when I was at the wedding of Sam and Paolo, I also was, every wedding I go to, I get a very heavy chest because you say the most beautiful things on that day. Can you sustain that feeling? Can you keep that magic for the rest of your marriage? I thought I could. I blew it. Ako nakamali, di ba? So when I see other people starting the way I started, natatakot ako.